Hi and welcome to another Dark Days Radio Dark Iron, and we're doing an unboxing because I finally got something new through for War Machine that is brand new rather than just my Gator Men. So let's get into it. So as you can see, we got a box which just says War Machine on it. There's no image on this, not that exciting. So let's just chuck that to one side and see what we've got inside. Let's pull all that out. We have one base, 80mm, and what we're looking at is the War Machine Khador Winter Corps Behemoth 2. So let's just get out a series of parts. And just bring this all nicely into focus. So what have we got here? Let's just move some of those to the one side. We've got the main body. So we can see the smokestacks and its cannons. It's got slots for the pegs. Then we've got two of these. The tracks that it has rather than legs. Again, really good sculpts. You can barely tell that there are layer lines. Once you put on a good prime, you'll see nothing. Then we've got the lower part of the torso, which connects it to the tracks. So this is kind of like the hips, really. Pretty cool. Then we've got the first of the chunky big fists, big meaty fists. As you can see, there's a few struts I still need to clean off from the printing process. But there's very little cleanup that needs to be done. The other arm, slightly different pose. And then finally we got a top part that fits on the body. The head. And two more heat dissipation plates, I think. So that's it. So we're going to glue this together and then we'll see it put together and you can see what you make of it. And of course I will get painted maybe even before lock and load in Sheffield in just under a month's time. So let's see. So let's have a look at what we have completed. Oh, we need to change the focus on this because he's a big mini. There we go. So, as you can see, he is quite the chunky miniature. But you definitely get an idea of how big he is in my hands there. And you know, if we do side by side with, say, what we've got here, a Gatorman War Beast, he towers over it. We'll have some more pictures at the end of this of comparing. We'll have some more pictures at the end of this comparing Behemoth to Deathjack to the Invictus Super Heavy Warjack that comes with Magnus, and the other Super Heavy that we have, which is the Aberration that comes with Exilon, whatever his name, Exilon. But basically, you know, we'll have a full comparison of those, and even against, say, some of the Colossals I have, such as the Dracodile and the Desert Hydra for Scorn. So that'll give you a good sense of the scale of this miniature compared to other things. And of course, next to the regular Khador heavy Warjacks that you can get in the range. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and having a look at the final images. Let's go over to them now, but goodbye for now.